Today we'll be talking about how to prevent chemical plant explosions. But first, what causes chemical plant explosions? The explosions are either caused by too much heat in the area, creation of gas, or the dangerous chemical reactions. Some steps that you can do to help prevent these plants from exploding are to maintain an organized and orderly facility, communicate hazards to everyone in the facility, and to follow basic safety procedures. Some of the basic safety procedures are to keep work areas clean, use the proper tool for the job, always wear the proper PPE for the work task, and to make sure chemicals are properly labeled and stored. About 42% of chemical plant injuries involve explosions, followed by fires or burn-related injuries, 14% chemical poisoning, 13%, and slip and fall accidents, 8%. Within each chemical plant explosion, there were at least 15 fatalities. While this number may seem small, it is a lot for something that could have been easily prevented. On April of 2019, the KMCO plant explosion caused a massive fire which was triggered by the ignition of isobutylene gas. Thousands of pounds of potentially toxic chemicals were released into the air, forcing nearby communities to seek for shelter. The importance of the safety rules. The plant is a dangerous place with fire hazards, dangerous chemicals, and risky procedures. No one wants to have an accident. That is why it's required to follow these safety rules. Not only are the rules there to protect you, they are there to protect others. Also, these rules are not just used in the plants, they are also used in the labs. This has been some ways to prevent chemical plant explosions. I hope you learned something new. I hope you follow the safety rules so you can protect yourself and others. And that'll be it. Thanks for watching.